Well, we're back out here. As you can tell, we are back out here. We're gonna change up my rigs. I've been keeping the last couple of days. So let's just go with, we are gonna keep it pink and we're gonna use this one. So we're gonna go with, what is this called again? Midnight Blue, and I believe it's the Pink Pearl. Yeah, it's definitely mad windy out here if you can't tell. And looky there, we got some new brush out there. Maybe that'll help us. There we go. There goes one. Told you it was in there. Took us a little bit, but we got him. Look at that. Look at that fat boy. Even left a little pink on her face. See the fat one. There goes number 2. Oh yeah. Told you. Moved on over and he hit the top one. Not bad. Little puppers. Oh. That little joker. He must have been real hungry to want to hit this jig. There we go. There's another one. They're small. Just slowly getting them. He's barely nibbling too. It's a slow roller today, but I guess that's what's got to be done. They're barely hitting. There we go. He was in there. Not a bad looking one. Adios, muchacho. Try to move around. He hit it. Dang. That's a bummer. So we can get it to come back this way. Unless I sink it. Just pull it back. Pull it back. Almost lost the lid. I wasn't gonna go in for it, but if I could reach it and use my rod, I was gonna save it. There we go. Just moved and dropped it down there. He was there to get it. Nice little white crappie. That's all we've caught this today. He was gone. this little buddy was hungry too. So I got a little bullhead, and I got a little kitty cat. Meow. Not sure how that sucker stick me. Not at all. It's probably what was hitting. I thought I was getting crappie bit over here. A little bitty old baby kitty cat. What's going on? What's going on, little guy? No bite. No bite. No bite. No bite. No bite. Y'all wet? You in the water? He's in the water? Little pooch. You got them fleas? You better get up off me, son. Hang out in my shadow. Yeah, y'all use them for bait?
Yeah, can I use that one for bait?
Yeah. Well, that's today. I want to say thanks for watching. Thanks for following. As you've seen, I think we caught 5, maybe 6. Lost count, to be quite honest with you. They were hitting for a good hour solid, and then it was like a light switch. It just died down. Somebody hit the off, and they definitely turned off. But with that being said, I want to say thanks for watching, thanks for following, and maybe next time we can catch some bigger ones, or just catch a more quantity amount. But until next time, I'll see you on the water.